속에 만질 생각하면 오늘 there's something bringing in drama sa teatro po ay limitado bawat isa ng matay ko walang Run, I check it, baby, pretty lady I'm in my days and you ain't making me naman po lahat so far. You know what? Dahil trauma ko ngayon dito, everyone. Meron ako sa inyo dalawang good news. And I'm proud of this, so good news number one. Listen carefully. Good news number one is get ready for Neo and Dianella this year, everyone. One. And number two, for some reason, marami nagka-question sa akin, marami nagtatanong sa akin, Dianella, bakit ka ganyan sumulat ng song? Bakit ka ganyan sumulat ng kanta? That's okay, that's fine, handa ako dun. Pero meron akong isang paboritong linya sa lahat ng sinulat ko. At ang sabi sa linya na yun ay, I see God in your face. Okay? Dianella, what do you mean by I see God in your face? Ang ibig sabihin po ng I see God in your face is, listen. Whenever you feel loved, whenever you feel safe, whenever you feel home, and whenever you feel appreciated, that's God's presence right there. But listen, isang tanong, isang sagot, sino mga nagmamahal dito? Nothing and no one is beyond love. Kahit gano'n ka katigas, kahit gano'n ka kaastig, kahit gangster ka, marunong ka rin magmahal. Listen, kung nagmahal ka na ever sa buhay mo, at kung minahal ka na sa buhay mo, we're gonna sing this song as loud as you can. Kaya ba natin gawin yan, everyone? You know what? Kinagato ng lahat na pinuntahan namin ng sobrang lakas. And I got a feeling, this evening, kakanta ito ng Dubai na mas malakas sa lahat ng ginawa nila. Kaya ba gawin yan, everyone? I have a feeling. So on the count of 3, you're gonna sing this song at the top of your lungs. Ready? Boys. It's their time. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 1. So let's go. Marina. So different. Baby, love. you save me? Loving you save me? Ang himalay sa'yo ibibintang? You know what I'm saying?
I still have 6.
Haven't felt so divine till I look in your eyes. You know what? Meron po isang post na nag-viral dahil hinifil ko yung song ko na Marilyn. I'm not just